Alright, I've got this Assa 600 here. It's got gin bottles in all 6 chambers, and it's also mastered pretty heavily. 1 through 4 are all mastered, which I would like to remove them, but the drivers are too short, so I gotta get some replacements. So secondary goal here, besides just getting the thing open, is to get it open without taking advantage of the mastering. I want to slide this plug out and find all 4 of the master wafers in chambers 1 through 4, just resting lazily on the key pins. That would be ideal. So I got this lock a few months ago and didn't know anything about Assa gin bottles, and didn't know about this float picking using 2 wrenches, and I was getting really frustrated. So I lent this lock to Mao for quite a while. He actually ended up hanging on to it way longer than he wanted, but I moved a couple times and stopped picking, and he was nice enough to keep it warm for me. Sent it back last week. Of course, I'm blabbing and I've lost all my progress. Where are we at? What is going on? Okay. Okay, start over. A lot of clicking going on. This thing's starting to remind me of a best. Ha! There we go. Cool. That's only my second time opening it with all 6 pins. I picked it progressively. Let me turn off focus lock. Picked it progressively from 2 to 4 and then jumped straight to 6. Opened it once and then, of course, felt nice and cocky and figured I'd go straight for it. Okay. Let's see where those masters ended up. Ooh, lock it back up. Or worse. Oh hey, let's do it this way. Okay. Got, ooh, get these in the right order. 1, 2, 3, number 4. Haha. How about that? All 4 masters. Get out. Okay, now show that these gins are facing the right way. That one spun around. There we go. It's actually not so bad. And you can see the milling here. This will focus. Oops, come on. Now the weaknesses of my crappy homebrew filming rig become apparent.